Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channels. In this video ay pag-usapan natin ano ang mga requirements na sinabmit ko sa USCIS for my adjustment of status. So what I'm going to tell you guys is based on my experiences. We don't have lawyer, we don't have agency, we just did DIY. Nag-DIY lang kami dahil sobrang mahal ng lawyer at saka agency. Marami namang mga YouTube tutorials kung paano i-assemble ang adjustment of status na application at kung ano ang mga requirements na isa-submit. Ang adjustment of status ay ginagawa ito sa mga nakapag-asawa ng foreigner na nandito na sa USA at kailangan nilang kumuha ng green card for permanent residency. So after our marriage, ito na, kinumpile ko na ang mga requirements na kailangan para i-submit sa USCIS. In adjustment of status, we just submitted I-485, which is the permanent resident or adjustment of status. Then I-864, the affidavit of support. And then I-765, the employment authorization. I did not apply for I-131 because hindi naman ako magta-travel outside US. Para lesser ang babayaran ko for my application. Now, we are going to talk about the attachments na kailangan mong i-compile for the I-485. So, ito yung mga sinabmit ko kabilang dito. First is, lagyan mo ng cover letter or intent letter na nag-apply ka for adjustment of status with your signature. Next is, 2 pieces passport photos. So, lagyan mo ng name mo at the back, just use pencil para hindi magkampat yung ink. Kapag ballpen yung gagamitin mo, magkampat ang ink. Write your name and then your alien number. Kung ako sa'yo, you have to prepare 6 pieces photos because from every form, you need to attach 2 pieces passport photos. Next is payment check. So, in my case, we just use cashier's check. So, we went to the bank and pay for it and then get the cashier's check and attach on our application. Next is the I-485 cover letter. So, it looks like a table of content that you're going to enumerate everything that you attach on your application as your proof of evidence. Next is the USCIS Form G1145. So, you're going to write there your complete name, your address, your phone number, and your email address so that whenever the USCIS will receive your applications, then they can send their notifications to you immediately. Then, the USCIS Form I-485. So, ito yung form na kailangan mong fill upan. Make sure na ang form na ito is latest or updated. I-search mo yan sa USCIS website. Makikita mo talaga na latest edition. And birth certificate. So, I submitted birth certificate. It's not original ha. Scanned copy lang. So, note lang. Huwag kayong mag-submit ng original copies. Everything that you're going to submit is scanned copies or photocopies. Then, 1 copy of my passport bio page, a copy of my K1 visa with stamp. Kung kailan ako dumating sa US. I included the Social Security number, the NOAA 1 and NOAA 2, the K1 FTP letter from the NBC, the copy of I-94, yung record natin sa ating pagdating dito sa US, and a copy of my vaccination documentation worksheet, the one that St. Luke gave us after our medical exam in the Philippines. Next is the marriage certificate. That is your marriage certificate when you're already here. Yung nagpapakasal na kayo. For us, we just did civil wedding. Lastly, for I-485, proof of wedding. Like your photos with your family, friends, and whoever are there in your wedding na nagpapakita na kayo ay legit, totoo na nagpakasal talaga. So, yun lang ang mga sinabmit ko for I-485. So, now we're going to talk about the documents or attachments that I compile for my Form I-864, the affidavit of support. Now, we're going to talk about the documents that I included for my I-864, the affidavit of support. So, all the documents that I submitted and attached for this form is from my husband. But it should be just scanned copies or photocopies. No original copies should be submitted except for a signature in every form. The first is I-864 cover letter. So you have to include the first page at the top of your application is the I-864 cover letter. So it should be your husband is the one to make a letter, intent letter for this, signed by your husband. And second is the USCIS Form I-864. The information that you're going to fill in to this form is all about your husband's information. Next, the tax return form or 1040. You have to include the W-2s from the recent 3 years back. Example, for me, for us, we included year 2021, 22, 23. So, from year 2021, 2022 to 23 only. And we also included the copy of his 1099s from the present years, 21, 22 to 23. We also included his bank account statement, copy of his passport bio page, and copy of his birth certificate, a copy of his pay stubs. We also include his employment certification. So those are the requirements we attach to the I-864 affidavit of support. The third application form is the I-765, which is the employment authorization. So what are the requirements or documents that we submitted? First document is the cover letter. So you as an applicant, you have to write a intent letter that you need to apply for employment authorization with your signature. And again, you have to attach 2 pieces passport photos with your name and alien number at the back. You can just use pencil or sticky notes. Third, you have to include USCIS Form G 1145 for you to be notified whenever the USCIS received your applications. Next is the Form I-765, which is the application for employment authorization form that you're going to fill out and put all the information needed about yourself. Include your I-94, the arrival record, a copy of your passport bio page, a copy of your K1 visa with stamp, a copy of your marriage certificate, and a copy of your social security number. So those are the things that we included as attachments on Form I-765. So I hope you learned and I hope you like this video. If you have questions, that just comment down so that we can address your concern. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.